Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
Anandanubhavaswadam sarvaroganivarakam Vande Papa Vinashaktam Nityanandaya Swagatam Nityamuktam Nirvikalpam Dhyana Pradipakam Vande Shantamayam Bandham Nityanandaya Swagatam Ananda Gandha Sancharam Sarvopadhi Vinirmuktam Vande Jnanalayam Natham Nityanandaya Swagatam
Ramanavami, Rama's birthday, Rama as a unique place in Vedic tradition as the first being openly recognized as an incarnation when he was in the body. Please understand, before Rama, all incarnations like Varaha Avatara, Matsya Avataras, Narasimha Avatara, they were all never recognized as an incarnation while they were in the body. Once Narasimha killed Hiranyakasipu and Hiranyaksha, he returned to Vaikunta. The Vamana took the Trivikrama Avatara and pushed Mahabali into the Batala, he returned to Vaikunta. Only Rama, after being recognized as an incarnation, continued in the human body. Sabda Rishis declare him as an incarnation during his coronation. Even after that, lived in human body. So, first incarnation recognized by the humanity is Sri Ramachandra Prabhu. Rama is something extraordinary, really extraordinary. He is cultural fiber of Hindu tradition. I was shocked. If you just shout Rama, 1/3 of India will turn. 1/3 of India carries the name Rama in their name. In any crowd, just shout Rama, 1/3 of the people will wake up. Rama is our cultural fiber. All the media asked me, Swamiji, what will happen to Rama's bridge? Ram Setu, they are trying to break. I said, nothing can be done. Don't worry. Hanuman is protecting. He built it, he is protecting. Anybody tries to touch, their whole family will be destroyed. Their whole Vamsha will be destroyed. Our sacred places are not just monuments. They are energy centers. Do not play with them. Rama is, I can say, first cultural maker and policy maker of Hindu tradition. See, politicians make policies. Spiritual leaders make culture. Rama is the first being who was both. He was a policy maker and culture maker. That is why still the heaven of Hinduism is always described as Ramarajya. Our imaginary perfect world is always named as Ramarajya because Rama was the ultimate culture maker and policy maker. Rama.
Eliminate stress from your life. Step up your performance levels. Enhance your clarity and decision making. Kalpataru, a unique full-day transformational healing program blessed personally by rare living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. Harness the power of meditation and initiation. Experience a glimpse of Kundalini awakening for permanent physical and mental transformation. Take the first step to a happy and successful life. Kalpataru, manifest your destiny. Every weekend at Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru.
The Ingenious Program, a field of all possibilities. The children in the Ingenious Program are directly under the guidance of Enlightened Master Paramahamsa Nityananda. Nityananda is an incarnation and exudes the knowledge of conflict-free living. He states that enlightenment is our birthright. What an incredible gift for your child, a once-in-a-lifetime privilege to live and thrive in the energy field of all possibilities and give enlightenment to your child. Where every child can become a genius. Learning can unveil the genius in every child, provided it stimulates higher order thinking skills, positive self-esteem, teamwork, and an internal locus of control. Research has proven that holistic teaching methodologies paired with meditation, stimulate whole brain functioning and result in self-directed, spontaneous, and creative lifelong learners. An enriched environment. When young children have an enriched environment conducive to early learning in life, they have higher IQ, cognitive intelligence, EQ, social emotional intelligence, and SQ, spiritual intelligence. These early experiences are critical for the development of the child. Peer pressure and destructive social conditioning can take its toll on the child. It can create negative thought patterns and destructive behaviors unless these enriching experiences are provided. An enriched environment includes whole brain activities which stimulate the utilization of both sides of the brain. The right brain is responsible for creativity, intuition, spontaneity, quantum memory, learning in a flash, and computer-like calculations. The left side of the brain is responsible for inner linear thinking and analysis. When both sides of the brain are integrated, performance is optimal. Brain yoga. Brain yoga activates the ability to balance the right and the left brain. This helps open the sixth sense. Children are given activities to balance both sides of the body simultaneously, using distinctive postures that stimulate both sides. The neurological brain patterns move from beta to alpha, increasing alertness and attention. Quantum memory. Quantum memory is a constant downloading of information without interference of the mind. Observation skills are directly related to memory skills. Reading without interference of the mind, reading at quantum speed, will lead to quantum memory without the mind getting in the way. Creative and performing arts. Dance, drama, music, sculpting, and design offered in the Ingenious program provide kinesthetic motor stimulation to engage the brainwave patterns, resulting in expanded creativity and resourcefulness. Sattvic food. Children are given the benefit of fresh sattvic food prepared to the standards according to the ancient Vedic lifestyle. The food is fresh, with fruits and vegetables. Vegetarian food creates radiant health in the body. Vedic cultural arts. Sanskrit chanting stimulates the brain to produce full brain coherence, developing clearer perception and integrated thinking. Chanting also promotes inner silence and improves the attention span. Meditation and expanded awareness. Meditation instills a deep silence in the child, resulting in deeper, richer perception and clarity in thinking. Ingenious produces the next step in evolution, a mature human being who functions at a higher state of consciousness. Expanded awareness provides the platform for a vision of all abilities of life, perfect health, prosperity, and life without conflict. What more could you ask for your child?
If I can just teach this one science to the kids, I will have millions of enlightened beings. The moment I utter that word, my whole body and being is filled with one concept: Tyaga, sacrifice. Tyaga. Whole life of Sri Ramachandra is nothing but extraordinary Tyaga. He sacrifices everything for Sita's sake, risks everything for Sita's sake, kills Ravana. After that, even sacrifices Sita for the sake of people's opinion, just to set a trend of culture, sacrifices even Sita. Please understand, if you just see the whole Rama's life, he is the greatest policy maker and culture maker. He sacrificed his everything for making policy and making culture. First, he sacrificed his very kingdom, his capacity to make policy for the sake of culture making. See, culture making means completely obeying parents, making parents happy, listening to their words. So he sacrifices his capacity to be a policy maker, means his kingdom, for culture making, obeying the parents, goes to the forest, makes a new culture of simple living, living with rishis, munis, meditating, worshipping. He's a great devotee of Shiva. Wherever he stayed, he installed Shivalingas. As you all may be aware, Sri Ramachandra stayed in Andhra and Karnataka. During his exile on the banks of Godavari, he stayed. Much of his time in exile he spent on the banks of Godavari. Then he moves to Kishkinta, Hampi. Hampi area is Kishkinta, the present Hampi area, and continues with his journey towards Sri Lanka. Again, if you see in every step, when he kills Vali, he is a strategy maker. Once he gets the Kishkinda kingdom, by giving that to Sugriva, again he becomes culture maker. When he kills Ravana, he becomes culture maker. Again, by handing over that kingdom to Vibhishana, he becomes culture maker. I am so filled with Rama. Nowadays, even about Rama, I am not able to talk. Especially after seeing the Ramayana. See, I have read Ramayana from the age of 3. The first mythological story I memorized and started repeating is Ramayana. At the age of 3, I gave Ramayana satsang.
Just an hour's drive from Bangalore, Asia's fastest growing city, is a unique space of healing, meditation and rejuvenation. Welcome to Nityananda Dhyanapitham. Experience soothing healing energies under the ancient wish-fulfilling banyan tree in the presence of divinity. Enjoy the unique anti-aging formula of the original Siddha Healing Spa with the 21-foot energized healing lingam and healing pool, the Vaidya Sarovar. Connect directly to God in the vibrant silence of Nityanandeshwara temple. Savor the delicious Sattvic food served free at all times. Best of all, get a glimpse of authentic spiritual life at the daily morning satsang, worship, yoga and meditation sessions with Paramahamsa Nityananda. Rediscover yourself at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, the ultimate spiritual lifestyle destination. Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, 97422 03311.
I know the modern day youth is really suffering. Humanity has never faced this crisis. I have created a one-year program where you can study the spiritual truths,
Nitya Yoga practices to create healthy body, spiritual discourses to develop mental health, meditations that help balance emotions, kriyas to break mental patterns that create suffering, opportunity to express leadership qualities, techniques that improve creative skills. Learn to break all self-limiting barriers to achieve your dreams. Ananda Yogam.
I am providing a platform for you to think, meditate, contemplate, and decide about your future. I am giving you 1 year free food, shelter, clothes, above all the spiritual education and intelligence and intuition to take decision about your future.
Every participant is taught the Vedic truths to live life as it leads in a nurturing ambience, along with inspirational spiritual education that helps bring out the best and achieve one's highest potential.
Youth across the world can come and spend an year in Ananda Yogam to work on you, to discover your future, to discover your destiny or recreate your destiny. I'll open my house for you for 1 year completely free. Come and stay here, discover and recreate your destiny.
Interviews at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, 97422 03311.
We were not able to recover. Some of my Purvashram family I even recorded when I recited Ramayana at the age of 3. When I go to the temple, whatever I hear, I'll come back and repeat verbatim without missing a word. Even though I have read and recited Ramayana so many times, after seeing this NDTV Ramayana, the visual impact, and they have also done very authentically. They have not twisted the story in any way. I am so filled with Rama. He is the greatest culture maker, policy maker, and something more. Each character in Ramayana, I tell you, it can never be an imagination. It can never be an imagination, because such perfect characters cannot be imagined. Unless it happened, you can't describe, portray so powerfully and so beautifully power, valor, joy, strength, sacrifice, everything expressing so beautifully. Rama fits in with the concept of incarnation. He really fills the concept of incarnation. His ability to sacrifice, ability to stand, his capacity of not losing faith on himself. Understand, that is the ultimate capacity. He never lost faith on himself. Even during all those sufferings, one of the greatest things is he never lost faith on himself. Tremendous confidence, courage, and having faith on who you are. That is the beauty of Sri Ramachandra. Each character, Hanuman, Sugriva, Vibhishana, or even Ravana, what a character, God. Other than that one missing, one point, he was little possessive of Sita, the lust. Other than that one small point missing, what a character. The whole Ramayana, there are no villains except one small mistake of Ravana. Only an incident can be considered as a villain. He himself is not a villain. Do you know the population of Sri Lanka during Ravana's time? 7 crore. 7 crore people. Please understand, those days you can choose your country. All the 54 desas are open. There was no visa system. You can choose the country you want to live in. Because we believed in guest is God. We believed in principle of guest is God. A Kalinga can come and settle down in Chola. A Chola Desi can go and settle in Sri Lanka. So 7 crore people felt Ravana's kingdom is the most safest place to live, happiest place to live. You cannot tell Ravana is villain by himself. No, just a miss. Otherwise 7 crore, half must be women. 3.5 crore felt very safe in his kingdom. In a way, little more than Ayodhya. The population was more than Ayodhya. Of course, Ayodhya had a less population because Rama was out. The story says once Rama left Ayodhya, a lot of people moved out of Ayodhya to different desas. But when Rama came back, many of them have come back.
क्या आप स्वयं एक अवतार पुरुष से अपने जीवन में दिव्य मार्गदर्शन चाहते हैं? प्रस्तुत करते हैं अवतार पुरुष से वार्ता।
Nityananda here.
परमहंस नित्यानंदा संसार को एक और अतुल्य और अनोखी भेंट दे रहे हैं।
You got practically everything and too much for a phone call.
अब वो लाइव किसी के भी प्रश्नों का उत्तर स्वयं देंगे।
That's great. No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
8 से प्रारंभ। कुछ सौभाग्यशाली लोग जो 080 2727 9999 पर फोन करेंगे, वो स्वयं स्वामी जी से बात कर सकते हैं। लाइव देखें NTV पर ntv.nityananda.org।
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.
In the whole Ramayana there is no villain. In the whole Mahabharata there is no hero. No, really. Except Krishna. In whole Ramayana, one small mistake of mantra, that also just for 1 hour, the confusion Kaikeyi had. You see, Kaikeyi is not a bad lady. Just for 1 hour she had a mood swing. Women have that one weakness. When they have that cycle, menstrual cycle, the periods, you can easily imbalance them and put them in mood swing. Mantra used exactly that period. When she was having period, physically when she was low, mentally when she was low, when she was physiologically and psychologically weak, mantra confused Kaikeyi. But the moment the 3 days was over, she was out. She ran to bring Rama back. She also went along with Bharata to get Rama back. She cried, "Forgive me, come back." But Rama said, "Already I have taken the vow. I cannot change." So throughout the Ramayana, except 2 incidents, there are no villains. Only 2 incidents. One, the Kaikeyi mood swing. Another one, Ravana's mood swing. Same way, men also. Just, see, please understand, just like women go through menstrual cycle, periods, men also go through a period. Men go through 21 days. With once in every 21 days, the peak of lust will happen in human body. When the male hormones are in its peak, it will lose its logic. Understand? For women, when they are in valley, they will lose their logic. For men, when they are in peak, they will lose their logic. Surpanaga, the sister of Ravana, used exactly that period of Ravana. When Ravana was in peak of the 21 days, she used, impressed him about Sita. That fellow messed up.
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि नित्यानन्दलिङ्गम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यवपुतो दयिषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः या च यशः शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्याया तवतया नो रुद्रमृडय या ते रुद्र शिवा तनोरघोर पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचागशीः या विशृङ्गिरिशन्तहस्ते विभष्ट्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि पुंसेः पुरुषं जगते शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अद्य वोचदधिभक्ता प्रथमो दैव्यो ऋषगे अहेहश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यादुत्राण्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुणपुत भभ्रस्व मङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रुता सहस्रशो वै शागुं हेडयीमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय ईडुषे अधो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनत्वमुभयोरार्तियोर्ज्याम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः परात भगवो वप अवदत्यरनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशतेषु ते निशीर्याणवागुं उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निषङ्गतिः या ते हेतिर्मेडुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदरे नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिधे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् दृढक्तो विश्वतः अथो य इषुरिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठमृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदा शिवाय शङ्कराय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यवागवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्मिञ्जराय त्रिशीमदे पदीनां पतये नमो नमो बब्लुषाय विव्याधिने नानां पतये.
Discover the power of Kundalini Awakening at Kalpataru, a unique full-day transformational program blessed personally by rare living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is the tremendous potential energy hidden inside every individual, which can be awakened through initiation by an enlightened master. Once awakened, Kundalini has the power to transform every area of your life and bring you health, wealth, success, joyful relationships, and spiritual enlightenment. Harness the power of meditation and initiation. Experience a glimpse of Kundalini awakening at Kalpataru. Manifest your destiny. Every weekend at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru.
But after kidnapping, after bringing Sita, even he was repenting. I think I have done a mistake. I should give Sita back to Rama. But now it is too late. He has to protect his pride and the name of Demon clan. Now all the social reasons, he cannot give Sita back, because giving Sita back is accepting is defeated. So except two incidents, there is no villain in Ramayana. But Mahabharata, if you see God, every single character is such a cheap villain. There is no hero throughout the Mahabharata other than one mistake, Sri Krishna. Other than one exemption of Sri Krishna, there is no hero in Mahabharata. Every fellow is just waiting to kill the other fellow. If Bhima gets angry, he is ready to kill even Yudhishthira. If Arjuna gets angry, he is ready to fight with Yudhishthira. Knowing Karna is a brother, Yudhishthira is ready to kill him. Knowing Pandavas are brothers, Karna is ready to kill them. Knowing Karna is my own son, Kundi is ready to give up. See each character. In Ramayana, mistake, doing something adharmic is exemption. In Mahabharata, doing something dharmic is exception. You should learn what should be done from Ramayana, what should not be done from Mahabharata. Vidhi is Ramayana, Nisheda is Mahabharata. Rama is the peak of the purity and Tyaga, ultimate policy maker and culture maker. I request all our temples, I think all our temples have Rama Murti, Rama deity. Please all of you celebrate Ramanavami today, Rama's birthday. Have Ramanama Sankirtan. I bow down to this great incarnation. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.